Today we're going to talk about analyzing video advertisements. You're going to get to practice looking at some advertisements and really figuring out what they're for and how they work. To do this activity, you will need to watch each video first. Watch the advertisement. And as you watch, think about these three questions. After you're finished watching the ad, you're going to have to answer these three questions. If you need to watch the ad more than one time, that's okay too. The first question is about the purpose of the advertisement. Is the purpose to sell a product? Is the purpose to promote a service? Or is the purpose to convince you to agree with an idea? I would also like you to explain what is the product, service, or idea being advertised. The next question is, who is the audience? Thinking about our target audience for this ad. Now, this can be pretty broad, but again, it's not always targeted for everyone. You need to pick out who do you think would buy this product or service or believe in this idea. And the last question is to think about the persuasive techniques used. I would like you to identify at least 2 persuasive techniques used and explain how they are used. Most advertisements use more than one persuasive technique. Some advertisements might even use all 6 persuasive techniques. I would like you to find at least 2, but if you find more, go ahead and write those down. We're going to do an example of this together first, so you can see how I analyze an ad. Let's first watch the ad together.
All right, first day of school, Hunter. Remember to raise your hand in class so they see those cufflinks.
I look like our lawyer.
Exactly.
Why can't I just dress like them?
Them?
Oh, cool.
Excuse me, young people? Pardon me.
Mom.
No,
please.
darling, I have this.
Mom.
Where did you get these looks?
Old Navy?
The Navy. It's the Navy.
Old Navy, Mom.
Could you turn around for us? May we see the back?
Mom, please.
Hunter, Hunter, Mommy's speaking.
Mom,
Hunter,
it's my first day.
Hunter, let Mommy handle this. And how much for the denims?
$8.
$8?
This shirt was $4.
Uh-huh. And you do know that children who lie go to prison, right, Hunter? And does there happen to be any sort of a sale?
Yeah, all kids stuff is up to 60% off.
You're going to be late today, Hunter. We're going to Old Navy.
Okay, so thinking about that advertisement, I'm going to try to answer these questions. Okay? Now you will be answering this in the deck toys rather than a Word document, but I'm going to write it here just so you can see how I would do this in my answer. So the first question, is it a product, service, or idea? The first thing I want to do is think about who is selling it. So the company is Old Navy, and they are trying to sell a product, clothes. Clothes for kids, maybe, to be even more specific. Okay? Now, thinking of the audience, this audience, based on the characters in the advertisement, I would say this audience might be mothers, or it could be kids. Because the company is selling clothes for kids, but again, the mother is the one buying these clothes, and it might be appealing to the mom wanting to go out and buy cool clothes for her kid. Okay. Now, the persuasive techniques used. There were a lot in this video. The first one is emotion. This ad had a lot of humor. It was funny. You might be able to connect to that of your mom ever embarrassing you. I think I've been embarrassed by my mom, so I might find this kind of funny. I might be able to relate to it. This ad used facts by giving the price of the clothes. They said $8 for the pants and $4 for the shirt. This ad used a promotion at the end, saying it's 60% sale. And this ad used bandwagon appeal because it said all the cool kids are wearing it. Or the boy said, why can't I dress like them? So he wants to know, he wants to be part of the group. So that's that bandwagon appeal. Now, repetition. They do say Old Navy a few times. For example, the mom said, where did you get those clothes? And the kid said, Old Navy. The mom said, the Navy. And the boy said, Old Navy. So they're trying to really get you to remember that name. And they also had Old Navy in writing at the end as well. Now, endorsement-wise, this one is really hard to know because the mother is actually a famous actress, but she's not very easily recognized. So I'm not even going to put that on there because maybe you don't know who she is. But it is using endorsement. This ad happens to use all 6 techniques because of that. So this is what my answer might look like in the box on Deck Toys. So now it is your turn. You are going to watch some video advertisements, and as you watch, think about these questions and then answer them in the box. Remember, you can watch the advertisement more than one time.